There are 7 steps to creating your compelling offer. Number 1 is identifying your client avatar. Now, keeping all of the limitations and all of the things that may not have worked for you so far, I'd like all of you to think about, in an ideal world, who is your customer? Is it, somebody working in a, let's say, a big company, a Fortune 500 company, or is it an entrepreneur, right? What is his or her age group? So as we're going through this, I'd like all of you to have a picture in your mind about your ideal client. Okay, what is their profession? Are they into, a company? Are they entrepreneur? Are they homemaker? Whatever that might be. What are their character traits? Right? Are they a positive person? Are they somebody interested in personal development? Because most of the time, people who work with coaches are people who have a keen interest in personal development, right? And what are they passionate about? Are they passionate about creating some kind of change in their organization? Are they passionate about public speaking? Are they passionate about helping other women in their community? So whatever that might be, so have a rough picture of your ideal client avatar. That's step number 1. Okay,